What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to join the free Investor Thrive community Discord so you can network with other wholesalers and real estate investors all throughout the United States. And if you're a part of our mentorship program, I'm going to show you exactly how to get access into our program. So watch me. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to make it as simple as possible by going through it as if I was signing up as a brand new person that's joining the Investor Thrive community, and also at the very end, a mentorship member. So let's dive right in. Take the link to join the Discord. You just go right here, you copy and paste it. That's the link. As soon as you see this, just type in your name. I'm just going to put Joe Johnson the third. Okay, and then what it's going to do is it wants you to finish signing up. So claim your account by entering an email and password. So you want to do a brand new email and password if you don't already have Discord, but if you have Discord, you can just use yours. I'm going to create a brand new one. So you just go here. All right, and then I'm just going to create a random password. They've sent a confirmation link to my email. Now I just got to go to my email and verify it's confirmed. So continue to Discord. So I am inside my Discord, Joe Johnson III. All right, so that is exactly how you get into the Discord. It's super easy. What I want you to do is once you get in here, I want you to go ahead and introduce yourself to the group, say what's up, and I want you to check out the free tools and resources we give. We have a free masterclass that we teach people exactly how to get into real estate. I also show you the tools and the resources that you can use in order to be a real estate investor, and the best CRM that I recommend at this time for flipping deals and doing deals the painless way. All right. And do me a favor as well. If you have any wins, go ahead, throw them in here because it's important. So this is for the free community. All right. So if you're a part of the mentorship, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and message Jack, because Jackie is going to allow you to get into the private mentorship area that you do not have access into until you message her and she lets you in. So all you have to do in order to message Jackie is you go to the top right where you can search for people. You type in Jackie. It's this one, Jackie Ald 2948. You're going to go here. You're going to click on her name and you're going to send her a message. Let me into the mentorship, please. Now, obviously, she's going to check and make sure you're legit, and you're going to add a friend. Okay, you're going to add them as a friend. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go and message me and friend request me as well. So it's as simple as just typing in my name when you're in the server. Click on my name, say hello. And last but not least, make sure to hit up Nathan Valley as well and friend request him and message him as well. Anyway, that is exactly how you get into the Discord community, whether you're joining just for the free channel or whether you're in our mentorship community and you need to message Jackie for access to the private mentorship group. I want to welcome you to the community if you decide to join. And if you're in the mentorship, welcome. We're excited to be working with you one-on-one, and we will see you later.